Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi,
Say hi. Hola, Amor.
Hola, Alicia, Amor.
So cool. How you doing?
How you doing?
No, I'm asking you how you doing.
I'm fine.
What are you doing? Look how you're sitting.
Oh, I'm racing.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna play with your friend. Bye.
See, I can make friends easy. It's just because I don't want.
How cruel. Look at Mia, guys. She's so tall. So guys, I'm heading out on the road. I'm gonna grab some food to eat. Just gonna go to another restaurant because I'm home and I really feel bored and I just want to go out and do something. So I got my makeup all done and I have this little skirt set on. So I'm just wearing this set and my little nude platform shoe. I just want to get out of the house because I'm kind of bored. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna lock my closet doors because I know you guys people in my toilet right now. But yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys when I get on the road. See you later. Peace. Okay, so I
so pretty. She looks so cute.
I just wanted to come today because home was really boring and the streets is not really popping today. Yeah, I'm still trying to make the best of it and everything. Talk to them now when I have a thing up on my face. I think Star is always afraid of talking to the camera, guys. Camera shy or people shy, I'm not really sure. But in case you're wondering who my company is, that's who is here with me today. But the thing is, they don't have nothing to say. So, hi guys. I don't know what you say.
Separated.
Yeah, but I feel so good now. Like, home was kind of boring. Kind of ugly. Okay, guys, so we switched seats because the seat that we were before, it was a little bit dark. So, somewhere else. And then the cancel much better over here. So I ordered the like a daiquiri, a peach one because I never had the peach before. I had the mango, I had the strawberry, but I never had the peach before. So I'm kind of trying the peach one. It's not so good. She's ordered like, what's that? Huh? Yeah, it's been boring. It's ordered much. No, it's not being boring. I think it's because we don't eat it. Yeah. So we haven't gotten the food yet, so I'll just do that some more updates. Oh guys, look at my hair. I never got to show you guys like how the blonde came out. So it kinda don't have like a little Hollywood look to it. I'm thinking I want to go white, but I'm just gonna wear this color for now. No, I just so it, you know, didn't really experience any damage. Not, in fact, I don't really care if my hair gets damaged because it's just here in my head. So, yeah, but anyways, I'll be back. So spend my summer in my chase, oh my baby. Hey, we love nice. Right. Some woman over there, stop bubble. Watch her, yeah. Sure. Okay guys, the food is here. So we got like a wing medley. So we have the Appleton barbecue chicken and the red stripe wings, crispy wings and spicy wings, and then we got some wedges which are fries basically. And yeah, we gonna grab. It's just finger food because it's late and I want to drink. Yeah, we just got finger food because I'm hungry and I want to drink. So before I drink, I want to eat something. Yeah. We go rub and get back. Between the spot. But that's up to the double six side. You want to know where it gets back next? Let's go to check the sun record because
Take one more bite.
no, that's a fault. I'm just gonna no, look here. Going to straight pepper seed now. I mean, like that one. No. I wasn't ready for that.
Having any more?
And we're gonna head home, but we're just chilling. Thinking to take some pics and all. There's tricks. Say hi now. Youth. Hey. So I'm back home from the restaurant. I had a great time. I have a headache, to be honest, right now, and I'm trying to fight through this headache. I've had a headache all day today, and I took pills and it's not going away. I think I really just want some sleep, so I'm going to take my makeup off, take my lashes off, and try and see if I can get some sleep. I really wanted to show you guys my outfit of the night, but I don't think I've taken any shots of me walking, so if anything, you guys can check out my Instagram and see my outfit of the night. It'll probably be on there or whatever. In case you're wondering where I got this outfit, I'm not so sure. So when I figure it out, if I figure it out by the time this vlog is supposed to go up, then I'll leave it in the description box below. I'm not so sure because I'm always buying stuff from all over, and sometimes I really just don't remember the places that I buy the stuff. But if I do remember, I'll leave the link in the description box below if you guys are interested in buying this outfit. Yeah, bye. See you guys later. Peace. Hi guys, so, and today I know I look half naked, but I'm going to a beach party, so this is how we dress. My outfit of the day. Please go follow me on Instagram. What's it? Alicia _ Amor, Alicia _ AMORE. Yeah, so we're gonna go to a beach party today called Sandz. If you live in Jamaica, you probably know what Sandz is. I mean, it keeps like almost 3-4 times for the year in different areas or parishes or parts in Kingston, Portmore, Oshers, Montego Bay, you name it. Yeah, so we're just gonna have some fun today. Yeah, I just want to come out of my house and have some fun, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and Tricks there too. I'm not like talking on camera and I can't tell him to talk. Say hi.
Why all the time?
Cause I know them Kirchy beer, find a long time Kirchy beer with Tricks so ugly. This is good. The style and the flavor, the bad boy flavor. Yeah, so anyway, when we get there, you guys will see what's going on. Look at my makeup. Let me talk a little bit about these lashes. So these lashes are from a girl called Rapunzel. I don't remember what this one is called. I'll link it in the description box below if you guys are interested in knowing what this one is called or wearing this one or whatever. I'm not sure all of the things I have on my face right now, but I'll tell you guys in the description box. Yeah, because right now we're just going to party and drink and turn up and have some fun. Yes, I'll see you guys later. Peace. So guys, we're here. Look how much car is on the road. Party is so full. I'm so excited.
Check up what you want, like in a Mega Man.
I see the girl them inna the party, I be themselves tonight. Them people a party like a new generation. Clean to we shoes to we pants, party we pants. Plan for every girl a plan for. Got me full of money like me brother them a blanca. Just another day in the life of a G. Money and girl me a pretty, you know see.
Any point, any girl, many pon many, so we do it when you boss up. If I ever eat up on me, sitting creep up on me, that I pass out. Me say me nah do it. Wanna look ya now. Some man a see creature under sights. Never see them with a galette and them a hype. Me can swear for my life, me never play for no other side. Woman alone me give me love, my love. Your kiss a medicine, I got job. When me da do without your touch, my love. Say something to me, make me know you God. Wow, boss. Every girl I say fit them all tight, but you have the pussy where you hold me in up. Me a fi ask you, how you pretty so? You me a muggle with anywhere me go. You are the prettiest girl inna the dance. If you want breathe for me, say take off the glove from up above. Baby me tell you me fall in love. Y'all wine pon this fat, your pussy fat, bumper big, breast no flap, come climb pon the cock, just like that. It's slide out, push it in back, y'all wine pon your pussy fat. Yo, balance it up. Give me that. Give me that. Your pussy fat. Oh.
Okay guys, so if I look like shit, pardon me as heck, but this party was lit though.
Of course it was.
Party was lit. I like my dance, my sweat, and this is me and I'm in the fucking grass. I'm lit as fuck in the grass. So yeah. Oh shit. I'm gonna go on the good things I'm gonna drive cause I will crash and die. But this is me. But slippers boss will fix it back. And yeah. I'm going to fuck home. The tricks there. We had fun though.
It was lit. It was lit, like very lit.
So guys, don't judge me. I'm just a fucking girl just having some fucking
drunk
fun.
as fuck.
Drunk as fuck, yeah, I'm drunk as fuck. But the light in here is dope. Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna take a picture of my ear in a room because my sweaty toes. So much for wearing your own fucking hair, you know? On party. But still, my back scratch me. My back has scratched me because I lay down in the ground. I go with them pat and pan. Yeah, and them barrel and them house and them car and them chair and them tea. Alright, so guys, I go home now. And as you can see, I have one full of shoes from my hand and buckle of liquor. Cause
you're
guess
drunk
what?
as fuck.
Yeah, I'm drunk. So what? That girl was dancing. She stepped on my shoes. And may I ease on my foot because she was mad heavy and I was trying to get my foot up. So by pulling my foot, I pull my slipper out. So now I'm walking with one shoe in my hand, one shoe on my foot. Stop!
So what's the cars?
And this is me leaving the party. One shoe, look.
What's the cars?
One shoe.
No, that's lit.
And I mean that. But like, I'm so fast. And everybody here fast, I'm in a care. So, but I just walk with one shoes from my foot same way. I try to get out to the front, to get to the car, to go home. And then when we reach home, I'm telling them more. There's nothing to talk about though. I had fun. It was lit. I had fun.
Of course I did.
This shit was lit. Everybody had tried to go home. Nigga trying to hit me down too. Isn't it? But it was fun. Trips to be my director because I know what to do right now. I'm so fucking drunk. Anyway, let's soon get back to you because wow, I'm trying to make my way out of this maze. Yeah. Like so much confusion right now. Yeah.
Keep left.
I'm gonna start trying to come out because I want to come out. I keep left. Got this guy, okay guys, so I want to go home, but it seems impossible because look at this traffic. For the foreigner, I never experienced Sandz before. This is what Sandz is like. It's a free movement party. It was calm motherfucking party. As the traffic is ridiculous. I'm gonna start chill. Yeah. Link you guys later. Oh my god, if I look drunk on the don't judge me. I'm not really drunk, you know, but that's nice. And very drunk, but that's nice. I think when we reach you.